Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning. So it is a very bright and beautiful 55 degrees here in New Orleans. I'm loving it. Yeah. But in this video, I'm going to share a couple of days of what we've been doing over here. So in this video, you will see Jaydah baking bread for the very first time in our new bread machine. So in the bread machine, I think it's called the Master Chef bread machine. This is not a sponsored video. We are not connected to them in any way. This was a gift from Chris and Cheryl over there, back to our roots homestead. I want to thank you so much, my beautiful, beautiful niece and nephew. I'm thinking this was a Christmas gift. This was a Christmas gift, and this is our very first time using it. So we're really excited to use it. So I had to get myself knowledgeable of this machine before, I take it to you all. But anyway, we got it all together, and we're going to do it in this video. Also, I'm just going to walk around my garden, and I'm going to share some plants in the garden. That plane is distracting me. But also, I'm going to drop some seeds, family. Well, I'm going to do that. We're going to drop some seeds, and I'm going to share just how my onions is growing. Yeah, we're going to do that. That's it. I think that's it. But if something else come up, it comes up. All right? But anyway, guys, let's get on with the video. All right, baby, let's go. So this is my garlic. And yeah, they're doing good. They're growing really good. Now, I dropped some onions in here, some shallots right on the side. Here they are. I have harvested a lot of them, and I'm just waiting till they get a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna just use them in my meals. That's all. But other thing, all the other ones is garlic. This is garlic. Yeah, so yeah, she have chives is very long, very long. Like, I come out here and take off a lot of all of this. Yeah. Now let it go ahead and do a thing. That's them. So these are my white potatoes I dropped with you all. And yep, they're doing good. They're doing good. And my onions. So these are the Texas sweets. Yep. And these are those Creole girls. And they all doing really good. They are where they are supposed to be. So probably one day this week, I'm going to give them some bone meal, family. Bone meal. And the reason is because, they're making a bulb. So any kind of root vegetables that you are growing, they're going to need bone meal. So I want to thank my nephew Chris. Thank you, Chris. So I'm definitely going to give them some bone meal. Thank you, man. So this is one of my cabbages. She's in a 5-gallon grow bag. She's doing good. She's doing good. And this is a 100-gallon grow bag, and there's all my little vegetables I dropped in there. Sweet peas and butterfly peas and all kind of goodies in here. Yeah. And this is mullein. And my blueberries. Blueberries. Tiff Blue, baby. Tiff Blue. They all doing real good. Yeah. So this is that bigger plant. That is a ooh, what the name of that plant? Walking stick kale. That's what it is. Walking stick kale. Yeah, those are the mullins. I'm walking around in my garden. I'm eating. A UV pie, y'all. Oh yeah. All right. So now I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna drop some seeds, y'all. Mmm. This is beautiful. All of the roses are coming to life. You know, the ones in the front of the house also. They're doing really good. All right, let's go drop some seeds. So I had an area all ready for me to drop these seeds. But family, I changed my mind. I changed my mind. So I decided I wanted to harvest all of my blue kale from my growing out the box bed. I wanted to get this bed together, and this is where I wanted to drop peppers, many of my pepper seeds. Now, I don't know if this happened to you all, but not only me, thinking and wondering what I'm going to drop, at least the first part of the growing season, but where I'm going to drop it, right? So, yeah, I changed my mind and I'm going to drop all of these beautiful peppers here in my growing out the box bed. Now, I do have some 1,000 head kale still growing in this bed, and I'm going to leave those, it's about 2 plants. I'm going to leave them there. But all the other plants, I'm going to take them up. I'm going to harvest my kale, y'all, because I absolutely love this stuff. So I'm going to take it in and clean it up. But I'm just going to get this bed together. Now, this bed is already fertilized simply because I had vegetables still growing in it. And so, yeah, they were, it was fertilized already. So I'm just going to get this all together and I'm going to drop my pepper seeds. I'm going to drop a lot of beautiful sweet and hot peppers. I'm going to drop them here. But I've harvested a lot of my blue kale. I think I harvested some from a raised bed that I had, and I cleaned it up, chopped it up, and it is in my refrigerator. I'm going to cook some tomorrow for my little sister. Yeah, family. I still spoil her, but I love it. I love it, y'all. Yeah, so this is what I harvest. I harvest a lot of the onions and garlic that I had growing with these vegetables for pest pressure. Well, now I'm going to clean them up and I'm going to cook with them. Yeah, and that's the great part. It's when you're growing companion plants for pest pressure. At the end of the plant season, you can take those onions and garlics up and, yeah, you can cook them. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, these are some of the peppers that I am dropping in this growing out the box bed, y'all. A lot of sweet peppers, and I think I have 1 or 2 hot peppers, right? But these are the ones I'm dropping here today. Yeah, and y'all know I had to drop this lipstick pepper because she is just all that. She's all that, family. Yeah. And I am going to drop some leisures in this bed also. I just didn't have the pack out here with me, right? But I have some Jimmy Nardellos. I'm going to drop those too. I'm going to drop all of them, and we're going to get it all together, and we're going to have this bed full of wonderful, wonderful peppers. Yeah. Now in this bed, I am direct sowing these peppers. I have a lot of peppers in cups, but listen, my first choice of growing any vegetable is direct sowing. This is just how I learned, right? So that's what I'm doing with these peppers in my growing out the box bed. Everything in here will be direct sowing. Yeah, family. Now we're all done. You're going to water them all in, say a prayer, right? And now we're going to expect some beautiful, beautiful vegetables. As I said, this bed is already fertilized, but I will not give them fertilized anymore until they show their true leaves. Then I will give them their first dose of 511 and super juice. This is my cabbage out of my Nikki bag, and they're doing really, really good. Real good. So this is cauliflower. So I have yellow cauliflower. I have some purple pieces in there. Now I dehydrated them, as you can see here, and I'm going to put them in my Ninja. But this is for Jody, and this is what she used a lot in many of her meals. Not only cauliflower, I have dehydrated Brussels sprouts and broccoli, and she used this a lot in many of her meals. She is type 2 diabetic, and yeah, family, she don't cheat. She said cheating is just cheating on her. So she just find different ways of doing things. So this is one thing that she does. Now I'm going to get her here one day just so she can share with you all how she prepare a meal using the powder of many of my vegetables. Yeah, that's a purple cauliflower. That's what that is. So now I'm just going to get it all together and put it in my Ninja, and I'm going to blend it up. All right, family, check it out. So this is my cauliflower, and now I'm going to put it in my Ninja. I can't do this. I got to use both of my hands. Okay, so now I have it in my Ninja. I'm just gonna top it up. So this is my cauliflower powder now, and I did this for Jody. So Jody used this in many of her meals. So that's it. Cauliflower powder. Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Jaydah, and today I'll be sharing with you all how we use our MasterChef bread maker.
Alright, so this is it. This is our bread maker, and we are making bread for the first time, right, Jaydah?
Yep.
Alright, so why don't you tell everybody what we put in the pot?
So we put oil, honey, and we put butter because it's like, buttery bread.
Yeah.
And then after that, we put water, and then we put flour and yeast.
Yeah.
Did I also say honey?
Honey.
I think I said honey.
Yeah, we put honey.
Yeah.
So now Jaydah is going to Crank it up, y'all.
So right now it's mixing the dough, and it's actually making dough. That was very fast.
Yeah.
But I want to say, I didn't say this in the beginning, but I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
All right.
Yeah.
And there she goes, y'all. Awesome.
It's crazy how fast it's making it.
Huh?
It's crazy how fast it's making it.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So we have it set. And now we're waiting for the bread, y'all. Thank you, Chris and Cheryl. Thank you, babies.
Thank you.
Yay. All right. Right. Here's our bread. Yay. All right, mommy. Let's cut this thing. You ready?
Yeah.
Here's one. We should have maybe let it get a little cooler first.
I can't wait.
You can't wait? All right, Jaydah. What we did?
So we put butter and honey. So yeah, we cut it and yeah.
All right. This is my piece. We gonna try, y'all. Guava, baby.
Guava.
All right. Oh man. Mm. 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 Bread, y'all. Jaydah made bread.
That was incredible.
And here is the mama that did it.
I didn't know it was that easy.
I know. Oh, y'all, it's really good. Jaydah, what year is that?
Almost done.
All right, guys, thank y'all.
Thank you, Mr. Chris and Miss Cheryl.
Yeah. It's so awesome. And Jaydah, will you be baking more bread? Yes. But anyway, guys, you all have a great evening. Thank you. Jaydah, your mouth full?
Later, y'all.
All right, guys.